Sometimes referred to as an offset or joggle, the jog command is used to add a jog to a flange, like you see here. To add a jog to a flange, you must define where the bends for the jog will be located. You do this by creating a sketch. I'll click the jog icon on the sketch toolbar, and because this is a feature that requires a sketch, SOLIDWORKS prompts me to select a planar face to sketch on. I'll select this face, and a new sketch is created. This sketch only requires a line to tell SOLIDWORKS where the bend should be located. The line does not have to cross the entire flange, but it's a good idea to attach it to the edges in case you make a change to the flange in the future. To further specify the location of the bend, I'll add a dimension. When the sketch is complete, I'll exit the sketch and the Jog Property Manager appears. Notice that when a jog is added, I can either keep this face fixed and bend this side up, or the other way around. To specify which face should remain fixed, I'll just click on this side of the sketch line and you can see the face appears in the Fixed Face field of the Property Manager. I can also click the Reverse Direction button to change the direction of the jog, or click the arrow in the Graphics area. Like most sheet metal features, I have options to define a bend radius and bend allowance that are different from the default settings for this part. I'll keep the defaults in this case. The jog offset distance can be defined as a blind distance, or any of the other conditions listed here, such as up to vertex or up to surface. Depending on the condition you select, you can choose how the offset distance is measured using these buttons here. The Fixed Projected Length option is important when using the jog feature. It controls whether more material will be added to create the jog, or if you're simply going to bend the existing material. Notice the change in the preview as I check and uncheck this option. With the option unchecked, the tab's overall length is shorter once the jog is added. With the option checked, more material is added by SOLIDWORKS, so the overall length of the tab is the same after the jog. The next section controls the position of the bend in relation to the sketch line used to make the jog. The available options are to use the sketch line as a center line for the bend, to keep the material inside or outside of the sketched line, or to keep the entire bend outside the sketched line. In this example, I'll use the first option, which is Bend Center Line. The last thing to specify is the jog angle. This is where you can change it from the default of 90 degrees to an angle of your choice.